In this demo, I'm going to show how quick it is to install and get started with Mirror for Teams. So I'm a backend developer working on a Go service called the IP Visit Counter. I have the code on my machine, and I have the last stable version of the service running in my staging cluster, which is a Kubernetes cluster which happens to be running on GCP. The IP Visit Counter exposes an endpoint to the internet, which when I visit it, it returns the number of visits it received from my IP plus this little text. This is what's running on the staging cluster. So it's just the services that the IP Visit Counter communicates with, nothing Mirror related. I already registered at appdeveloper.co. I started my 7-day free trial, which requires no credit card, and I got my Mirror for Teams license key. So I have everything I need to install Mirror for Teams and get started. So I'm going to start the timer now, and let's go. First, I need to install the Mirror operator. There's a Helm chart, so I'll add the Helm repo, get the default configuration, put my license key in the default configuration, and install. Great, so now Mirror for Teams is installed in my cluster. Next, I'm going to get the plugin, the Mirror plugin for IntelliJ. So I'll search the marketplace for Mirror, install, restart, and that's done too. Now I'm going to change the settings of Mirror to steal traffic rather than mirror it, so that when a client sends a request to the remote service, it receives a response from my local process. So that's done. I'm going to do two more things. First of all, I'm going to set a breakpoint here and the function that handles incoming requests. And I'm also going to change the text that's being returned so we know it's my process that's returning the response. So everything is set. I'm going to enable Mirror and debug my process. I'll choose the remote IP Visit Counter as my target. We're up and running. I'll hit the remote endpoint. My breakpoint is hit. I'm going to let that run. And it's my text. So I've got exactly 2 minutes, which is not too bad for something that's going to save you a lot of hours. So try out Mirror for Teams.